Hello, I'm Floris, co-founder of the project Casatropical. It's a accommodation marketplace for students who go to South America. So we've been starting the project in 2017, and we used ShareTribe marketplace open source, and to go further with the project, we decided to move from the white label ShareTribe marketplace to a custom built marketplace. So we decided to work with Roobykon Software after some times like looking for the right partner to develop the tech. So it's been fantastic journey with them. We were doing a lot of work. We were starting to build we needed to custom build the flow, the booking flow. So it was really heavy and lots of customization. So far, really great work we've done with the custom built booking flow. Then we worked on the search bar for availabilities within the accommodation. So that's something where we didn't see like in other marketplaces built within ShareTribe. So there is a lot of stuff, lots of custom development we had to think about, from design thinking to how it can work on the front end and the back end, and then we started to work closely together with Roobykon, so to see how can we make this happen, work, and we design it, and then we implemented it. So really focus on the communication, or on the clear understanding of how the feature, how the new thing we're gonna build will work. So that was absolutely fantastic, like to work with Roobykon Software. We had like a really great team. They have a clear understanding of the project, of the product we had too, of the vision of the product. So that was very important, quite specific. So you need to have a clear emphasis of what are we going to build together. So that answer was really good. We really feel like we were on the same path. So that was very important. We loved working with the team. There is a great diversity. We work on from the front end side and then the back end side. And then you have to think about some connection with some API, for example, of payments, gateways, etc. So that's really great to have a complete and diverse team to work with, because you really feel like you're not alone thinking about the solutions and being creative. So creativity too. They are very creative on the technical side, to understand, okay, what can we do to solve this, or to create something customizable, so that will be enhancing the product. So that's good. Really great creativity. Wanted to talk about communication too. Communication was really great with Roobykon. We mainly work with Slack, but from time to time we had a video call, or we call each other. But most of the time, we communicate with Slack. We can share images and documents, and how things should work within the product. So that any problem with the communication was perfect. English is good. We work with different people from Roobykon, and we never have a problem with communication so far. So that's really something important. Communication within a different team from different countries and maybe different cultures too. So that was very good. Knowledges and experiences from Roobykon. You can't test them. They have a really extensive knowledge of the product, of ShareTribe, of the libraries, of the web. So that's incredible. They really bring all that knowledge to you when you work with them. And experiences, obviously, going from a wide diversity of project, of marketplace. You really see like they can bring a added value to what you're building and make some clear recommendation on what you should do based on the experience they have, what they build for other marketplaces. Lots of ideas. So that was very good to have like experienced agencies to work with. And definitely I will recommend Roobykon Software if you want to work with them. You should work with them for if you're building a marketplace within ShareTribe or of kind of technology. I'm sure they have the experience, the knowledge, the communication you need, like to go from the MVP to the product 2.0, we can say that. And well, really happy with the work we're doing with Roobykon. We carry on with so many things to develop, so many things to build. So I would like to really recommend the company, the Roobykon Software. If we need to work with them, don't hesitate to contact them, because they have done an amazing job with us. We work really close together to keep on developing the product roadmap. So if you have something to build, contact them, explain them what you want to do, and they will make a really great recommendation on how to do it. And they know how to do it.